How to spread web traffic. Hi guys, this tutorial is something very simple. Anybody can do this. If you are an advanced web developer, so I think you won't enjoy this tutorial. Somehow, if you are a beginner or just a marketer or digital advertise someone, then you will find something very interesting about spreading your traffic over other websites. Let me explain. Let's say you are a advertiser, so you have 2 3 websites, so you are advertising your let's say website 1, website 2, website 3. You have 3 websites, number 1, number 2, number 3. Then if you want to promote your website, you have to advertise all websites separately. Website 1, website 2, website 3. So you are advertising your websites separately. But for a beginner or a normal person, especially if you are a web developer, then you need to improve your ranking more than other things. You need more traffic every day, but you have a limited budget. Then how to spread your traffic? You get traffic to one site. Let's say site 1 is taking 1,000 visits. So how to spread those visits to your other websites? As the example, if you are getting 1,000 visits to website number 1, then I'm teaching you how to spread those 1,000 visitors to your website number 2 and website number 3. This is very simple. This is my, let's say this is a HTML web page. This is a plain web page, but your web pages will be different. But here all web pages are HTML based nowadays. There can be other, but imagine you are using HTML. Your web page codes will be like this: doc type, HTML, title, h1p. So there will be div, um, p, h1, h2, h3, img, img and a tags. How there will be bunch of tags, a lot of tags, but there's a special tag in HTML. Here I'm going to show you that secret and powerful tag, iframe. This one. Here we go. What it can do. This is an iframe. There's a source address. The source address is alexamaster.com. I'm going to save this page and reload. You can see it's opening an iframe. Yeah, this is a frame. Now I am visiting, my main page is this one, but here the traffic, the visit will be also taken effect on this domain. Now I'm going to put another iframe. This will be, what can it be? another domain name. I'm saving it. What will happen? Oh, it's loading Alexa Master, and also another iframe. Yeah, here there's another page. Now what is happening is now the main visit. I am the visitor. Here I'm reloading this page. So I am visiting this main website, but there's an iframe, two iframes. So my visit will be gone to these domains also. So it's very simple. You just put this tag, HTML tag, on your source file, your HTML source file. You change this domain. Let's say your domain name is like this, cleanmaster.ca or something. So when you change and reload this, then the traffic will be go to here, cleaning master. So how many iframes you can add here? It depends. These iframes are very heavy, like it will use more bandwidth. It will take data, downloading data from any visitor. So adding more iframes on a page, the loading time will be increased. So actually this is not a recommended method for getting traffic, but still advertisers are using this method. I have seen a lot of websites, they are spreading their traffic to other domain names using this iframe technique. So I have added another iframe. What will happen? So you see it's loading. Using this method you can spread your traffic to other website, and it will not waste your visitor, because you get one visitor to your main site, and that visit will be affected on other websites. This is my tutorial about spreading traffic. I hope you will understand how to do this. I have to tell you again, this is not a good method. Actually, Alexa Master website will not allow you to get traffic using iframes. Also Google and other main search engines like Yahoo, Bing, they will not provide organic traffic if you are using some iframes on your website. But if you are a beginner, if you need more traffic to your website to increase especially Alexa rank or something, then you can use this method to improve your traffic rank. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed. I will upload another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and put a like or put a comment. I hope my voice is not good, but please do please share. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.